the initial speed and the final speed of an object moving with a positive acceleration. What's meant by acceleration? Acceleration, change in the object velocity at unit time. We have two types of acceleration, positive acceleration and negative acceleration. Positive uniform acceleration, change in the object speed at which initial speed increase at unit time. Negative acceleration, the object decreased at unit time. Okay, so in a positive acceleration, which one greater? In positive acceleration, final speed is greater than the initial speed. So when you put the ratio between the initial speed and the final speed, the result will be less than 1. Why? Because the initial speed less than the final speed when the object moves by a positive acceleration. The number of chromosomes in the parent cell, number of chromosomes in the gamete. Okay, gamete has the half number of chromosomes in the parent cell. So the number of chromosomes in the parent cell is double number of chromosomes in the gamete. What's meant by gamete? Gamete is a cell resulted from meiosis division and has half a number of chromosomes in the parent cell. Okay, gametes example, sperm and ovum in animal and human, pollen grains and ovum in the plant. Okay, sperm produced from testis in human and animal, ovum produced from ovary. In plant, pollen grains produced from the anther, ovum produced from ovary. A virtual, upright image and equal in size if the formed image by a plane mirror. Again, virtual, upright, equal in size the plane mirror. Virtual, upright, diminished, convex mirror and a concave lens. Virtual, upright and enlarged, concave mirror and convex lens. If an object move 50 meter, okay, 50 meter, object move 50 meter, okay. In a straight line, if the object return back 30 meter, return back 30 meter in the opposite direction, its displacement equal, the difference between them is 20 meter and the direction is the east. The sun take how many million years to complete one rotation around the center of the galaxy? Sun takes 220 million years to complete one rotation around the center of Milky Way galaxy. We said before that what's meant by universe? Universe, it's wide and extended space that contains galaxies, moons, stars, and planets. Everything. How many galaxies in the universe? How many galaxies in universe? Universe contains 100 million, 100,000 million galaxy or 100 billion galaxy. What's meant by galaxy? Galaxy, it's a group of millions of stars. And it's the biggest unit, structural unit of the universe. Okay? Group of stars give a galaxy. Group of galaxies rotates together in the space called galaxies clusters. Each galaxy has a distinctive shape according to harmony and the order of stars on it. Our galaxy name is Milky Way. Why? Because stars seems at night as a splashing milk or spreading straw. Our galaxy has 4 spiral arms. It has a spiral shape and contains 4 arms. And the order of stars in it, the smallest stars on the spiral arm and the oldest or huge star at the center. Stars rotates around the center of galaxy. Okay, Sun is a star and it is the only star in our solar system. Solar system contains 1 star, which is the Sun, and 8 planets. Sun complete or rotates around the center of Milky Way galaxy and complete its rotation after 220 million years. Is the result of multiplying speed of moving object by time. Our rule, speed equal distance over time. So when multiplying speed by the time, it's equal distance. The solar system is located in one of the arms of the Milky Way. Milky Way galaxy had a 4 spiral arm as it has a spiral shape. Vegetative reproduction in plants occurs without needs for. What's meant by vegetative reproduction? Vegetative reproduction, it's a sexual reproduction happened by using plant parts, stem, roots, or عندي كده leaves without needs seeds. So sexual reproduction in plants need seeds. Reproduction by budding, okay, occurs in multicellular organisms such as type. What's meant by the reproduction by budding? What's the type of reproduction in budding? احنا قلنا يا شباب ان يعني ايه اصلا reproduction؟ Reproduction it's a biological process at which living organism produce new individual from the same kind to protect its species from extinction. يعني to keep its existence. Okay, we have two types of reproduction, sexual and asexual. Sexual reproduction, it's a biological process at which a living organism produce a new individual different from its parents. Why it's different from its parents? Because due to the crossing over phenomena and the offspring take genes from two different sources. We said a very important question that sexual reproduction depends on two main processes, formation of gametes and fertilization. Gametes, we said before the definition of gamete. Fertilization, it's a fusion or a combination between male and female gamete to form zygote. Male gamete has N, female gamete has N, and zygote has 2N. So zygote has a complete number of chromosomes, complete material of chromosomes. Zygote make a mitosis division. Okay. And the second part of reproduction is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it's a biological process at which living organisms produce a new individual from the same kind, okay, identical to the parent, not similar, it's identical to the parent. Why it's identical to the parent? As the offspring take genetic material from only one source. Types or forms of asexual reproduction. We have 5 forms of asexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction, said before, and binary fission. Binary fission happened in bacteria and amoeba, euglena, paramecium, and some algae. Okay, and we have a very important question here that the parent disappear in a binary fission. Okay, budding. Budding happened in what? Happened in unicellular as yeast and multicellular as sponge and hydra. The forms of asexual reproduction, regeneration. Okay, what's meant by regeneration? Ability of living organism to compensate in missing parts and reproduce by regeneration when the cutting part has a part of a central disc, as in starfish, it produce a new living organism. And the spore propagation, which happened in bread mold fungus and mushroom fungus and some algae. Put right in front of the correct sentence and wrong in front of the wrong sentence. Meiosis aims to form gametes. This correct. What the importance of mitosis and meiosis? What's meant by mitosis and meiosis? Mitosis is a division happened in a somatic cell, except red blood cells because it doesn't have a nucleus, nerve cell because it doesn't have a centrosome, and meiosis division happened in reproductive cells as عندي كده التستس والأوفري or الأنثر والأوفري ده في الهيومن والأنيمال وهنا في البلانت. الaim of the each division, mitosis division, الimportance بتاعت الميتوsis division, it help in growth of a living organism, compensate the damaged cells, and help in asexual reproduction. So from the two importance, help in growth and the compensated damaged cells, it's very important for children. أما الaim أو importance of meiosis division, it help in formation of male and female gamete to complete sexual reproduction. Mitosis division produce 2 new cells. Each cell has the same number of chromosomes in the parent cell. أما meiosis produce 4 new cells. Each cell has half a number of chromosomes in the parent cell. Second, the vegetative reproduction. which is a sexual reproduction in plants by using part of the plants, occurs in plant by stem. Okay, right. Why? Because vegetative reproduction, it's a sexual reproduction happened in a plant by using a part of the plant, leaves or stem or roots. Dentists use a concave lens during medical examination. Wrong. If an object starts its motion from rest, so its initial speed equals 0, not final speed.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.